India, as well as the cost of the products that has to be installed first in the solar, what we say, installation is going on decreasing. So yeah, definitely everyone has to agree that solar is the future of India. What I personally like about solar is that solar power can be generated in smaller installations on the rooftop by individuals. In some countries, not only you can generate solar power, but also it can feed it back to the grid as well. What it does is that it can generate an entrepreneurship in each and every home, and that is a big advantage. Another problem that solar can overcome is that we talk about free energy to the farmers. If we can make solar gensets for pumping the needs of the farmers, distribution companies will easily recover from the huge losses they have been incurring. And as you all know, agriculture does not require any specific time for irrigation. We can anyway at any time we can irrigate it. So solar power can also overcome that problems. Whereas the opportunities, the solar, I will say that the government policies, because we have seen the Colgate scams that was recently held. It shows that the corruption is very much. So if the government will make nice policies or policy making is changed in India, India can definitely be the solar hub of the world. India requires like 900 gigawatts capacity by 2030, whereas now our capacity is 125 gigawatts. So if you want to achieve that target, so it has to have a long-term plan rather than concentrating on a short-term plans that we are doing right now. That is not going to lead us anywhere. We have to have a long-term plans. And another thing I would like to add is that cost of power generation through gas is almost rupees 8, whereas from coal it is rupees 4 to 4.5 per unit. But in solar it's only the initial cost. After that it's free, like almost free energy. We're investing in the future. It's just the basic maintenance cost. So yeah, definitely India, if we want to achieve or make India the global leader that we always dreamed of doing it, then solar is our best bet, I believe.
As the representative very well spoke about the Jawaharlal Nehru Solar Mission, the Jawaharlal Nehru Solar Mission was launched in 2010, and it had a target of achieving deploying 20,000 megawatts of grid connected solar power by 2022. I would like to bring in some facts that in the financial year of 2013 and 14, the solar power which was targeted and which was achieved was only 47.59% of which was targeted. So clearly the implementation of the plans are not as per what they should be. So what I suggest is we analyze what the problems are and how can we face it. And yes, solar power is the answer to our problems, as the representative of Reliance said. But he also said that every household can install solar panels in their houses individually. But per capita income, sir, of India is not as much that every household can install solar power. So they definitely require some funding. But what I mean to say is, coal is definitely not an option in India, because as per 12th fifth year plan, the demand for coal has been increasing 8% every year. So coal is out of the question, and solar power is not being utilized as per what it should be. So what I suggest is we go for renewable power sources, not only wind power, small hydropower stations, biomass power, manganese coagulation, etc.
As he said that